talk about how can you find your reading list on your Goodnovel app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here, just click on it here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on viewed, just click here on viewed here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You go above reading, click on it, and here you will find our reading list here. You will find it here in this list, and here you will find our reading list you have. Here can you add box if you want. Here just click on it in add box. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.